Let's welcome Deacon Eckert with UnitedHealthcare Medicare and Retirement, Florida. And Deacon, for seniors and others enrolled in Medicare, why is annual enrollment so important?
Choosing a Medicare plan is probably one of the most important decisions that a person can make for their health care and their wallet. The Medicare annual enrollment period, we're currently underway and it does end on December the 7th. And now is the time to review all the Medicare Advantage plan options that you have available, make changes, or even just confirm coverage for next year. And if anything has changed this year, whether it was with your current health plan, your health status, or budget, a decision to do nothing could lead to unpleasant surprises or even missed cost savings in 2023. And it's really important to remember that, Medicare is not a one size fits all approach. So it is important to understand those options. And now is that time.
And what advice can you offer to help make the process of choosing a Medicare plan easier for people?
It can feel complicated trying to choose a Medicare plan, but it doesn't have to be if you just follow a few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is check that your current coverage still meets your health needs, and find out if your benefits are going to be changing next year. You also want to determine if the plan is still a good fit for your budget, and that includes understanding all of your out-of-pocket costs like deductibles and copays. And the good news for UnitedHealthcare members is that we've invested more than ever in our plans for next year. 99% of our members will see reduced Medicare Advantage premiums, including those here in Jacksonville who currently pay a zero monthly plan premium. And in addition, nearly all of our members will have access to a $0 primary care copay.
Okay, very good. And beyond understanding those key costs, what are some other important aspects to consider when enrolling in a Medicare plan?
Yeah, first you want to start with making sure that your preferred doctors and hospitals are part of the Medicare Advantage plan. In 2023, we're going to be offering the nation's largest Medicare Advantage network, which access to more than 1 million care providers. And most of our Medicare Advantage plans also include house calls, which offers an annual visit with the licensed clinician in the comfort of their home. Secondly, you don't want to forget about other benefits like dental and vision. Many people are surprised to learn that original Medicare does not cover those benefits. One thing I'm personally excited about is in 2023, we're going to be offering our most comprehensive dental benefit ever, which basically includes everything except for cosmetics. So that's going to also include dentures and implants. There's also no out-of-pocket cost up to the annual cost limit. You also want to take advantage of wellness programs and other plan features to support a healthy lifestyle. Things like Renew Active, which is where our members can get access to a free membership at over 22,000 nationwide fitness and gym centers. And lastly, you want to make sure that your medications are covered. Even if you don't expect to change plans, you do want to make sure that the prescriptions you take will still be covered for next year.
Yeah, it's very important to go over those details. That mean so much. Now, if you go over those details, maybe some surprises, anything that might surprise people when it comes to new benefits or features to consider next year.
Yeah, so you will notice in the Medicare Advantage space, there's a lot of differentiation starting to take place and seeing a lot of new benefits launch. Last year, we combined our over-the-counter and healthy food benefit for all of our dual special needs members. And what's really exciting, if you pay attention and notice about with food and utility prices rising higher than the average rate of inflation, now they're going to be able to use that benefit towards home utilities. So they're going to be able to use their monthly credit to cover expenses like home heat, electricity, water, sewer, and home internet. Additionally, we're also rolling out the UnitedHealthcare U card, which brings together their member ID card with critical payment technology. So it's going to be a single one-stop shop card that's going to get them access to the doctor, the pharmacy, but also allow them to shop with their benefits, spend their earned rewards, and also access their free gym membership.
Very good. Gym membership. So work out a day, keeping the doctor away. I like that. And lastly, where can people go for additional information as they make their Medicare enrollment decision?
Yeah, so you can, for more information on our plans, you can visit the website listed on the screen or call the toll-free number. You can also visit Medicare.gov, and that allows you to compare all of the plan carriers. And then if you're new to Medicare, a really great resource is by visiting getknowmedicare.com.
Well, Deacon, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for all this helpful information. Now we can navigate through Medicare and do a good job with that. So, of course, for much more information, you can go to our website as well. Okay, and that's firstcoastliving.net.